Have you ever met someone who seems kind, intelligent, even interesting, yet somehow they struggle to make friends? Or maybe that someone is you. It's easy to assume the reason is simple awkwardness, shyness, or lack of social skills, but the truth runs much deeper. Friendship isn't just about talking or spending time together. It's deeply psychological, shaped by past experiences, emotional patterns, and even unconscious fears that most people don't even realize they carry. At the core of many people who struggle to make friends is a powerful and often hidden fear of rejection. This fear doesn't always appear as obvious anxiety. Sometimes it shows up as hesitation, silence, or avoiding social situations altogether. The brain is wired to protect you, and if someone has experienced rejection in the past, whether in childhood, school, or relationships, their mind learns a painful lesson: connection leads to hurt. So instead of reaching out, they hold back. They stay quiet, keep conversations short, and avoid going deeper. Not because they don't want friends, but because they are trying to protect themselves from being hurt again. Another major factor is overthinking. After even a simple conversation, they replay everything in their mind. They wonder if they said something wrong, if they sounded awkward, or if the other person judged them. This constant mental replay creates anxiety, which then affects future interactions. It becomes a cycle where overthinking leads to anxiety, anxiety leads to awkward behavior, and that awkwardness reduces connection, which then increases overthinking even more. Ironically, most of the time, the other person didn't notice anything wrong at all. Low self-worth also plays a powerful role. Many people who can't make friends carry a deep belief that they are not interesting, not likable, or simply not enough. This belief is not reality, it's a perception shaped by past experiences and internal thoughts. When someone believes they are not worthy of connection, they unconsciously act in ways that reinforce that belief. They might avoid eye contact, speak less, or hide their true personality. But the more they hide themselves, the harder it becomes for others to truly see them and connect with them. There is also the issue of emotional guarding. Real friendships require vulnerability, sharing thoughts, feelings, and personal experiences. But for some people, vulnerability feels unsafe, so they build emotional walls. They might keep conversations light, avoid personal topics, or rely on humor to deflect deeper connection. On the surface, they seem fine, even social. But emotionally, they remain distant, and people can feel that distance even if they don't consciously understand why. Sometimes, the struggle is not just emotional but practical. Social skills are like muscles. If you don't use them, they weaken. People who spend long periods alone, whether due to lifestyle, work, or past negative experiences, may simply lack enough exposure to social situations. It's not that they are incapable of making friends, it's that they haven't had enough opportunities to practice and build confidence in real interactions. The most important thing to understand is that people who struggle to make friends are not broken. In fact, they are often highly aware, sensitive, and thoughtful individuals. The same traits that make connection difficult can also make deep and meaningful friendships possible. The turning point begins with small changes, speaking a little more even when it feels uncomfortable, letting go of the need to be perfect, and accepting that not every interaction will go well. Because friendship is not about being flawless, it's about being real. If you've ever felt like you can't make friends, remember that this is not a fixed trait. It's a pattern, and patterns can change. Your mind learned these behaviors over time, and with awareness, it can unlearn them too. Deep down, humans are wired for connection, and sometimes the only thing standing in the way is the story we keep telling ourselves.